Hello everyone, welcome to AQ Study. This is your friend Aman, and today we are going to discuss about how to find the joint of a matrix in 3 cross 3. In the previous video, we have already discussed how to find the joint of matrix using a shortcut tricks in 2 cross 2 matrix. As I have already told you that we will discuss about how to find the joint of matrix in 3 cross 3 in upcoming video. So now the day has come, and now we are going to discuss a beautiful concept and a beautiful short tricks in a 3 cross 3 matrix for finding their joint. So guys, let's see. We will simply take an example to see how to find their joint using a shortcut tricks in 3 cross 3 matrix. So now let's start the video, guys. So I am taking an example. Suppose a matrix A having element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So please understand these concepts because it is you have totally captured what I am doing. If you understand it in a better way, then it will be very helpful for you. So let's see what are the steps that will be followed here for finding the joint in 3 cross 3 matrix using shortcut tricks. So for this we will simply write the given element here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what we will do, as it is a row 1, it is a row 2. So we will write row 1 and row 2 just here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Now what we will do, as it is our column number 1 and it is our column number 2. So now we will write column number 1 and column number 2 just after column number 3 simultaneously. So here 1, 4, 7, 1, 4 and 2, 5, 8, 2, 5. Now what we will do? We will divide it. And now see what we are going to do. We are going to make a matrix of order 2 cross 2 to find the cofactor of each element in the given matrix A. Here as like this. That means firstly we will take these 2 cross 2 matrix, then we will take these 2 cross 2 matrix, then we will take these 2 cross 2 matrix, and vice versa we will do so. So here the matrix which will be a cofactor of the given matrix A, that will be come by finding the determinant of these 2 cross 2 matrix. So as we have our first 2 cross 2 matrices 5, 6, 8, 9. So for finding the determinant of these 2 cross 2 matrix, we will simply cross multiply, as we already know how to find the determinant. So 9 into 5, 45 minus 8 into 6, that will give 45 minus 48 gives minus 3. Simply for the element in the cofactor of the A at position A1 to, we will take this matrix of 2 cross 2 and find the determinant of this. So 7 into 6, 42 minus 9 into 4, 36, that will give 6. Now similarly we will do our process to find the remaining elements in the cofactor of this matrix. So that means 8 into 4 minus 7 into 5, that will give minus 3. Similarly here we will take this matrix and find the determinant to find the position of A to 1 in the cofactor of this matrix. So 8 into 3 minus 2 into 9, that will give 6. Similarly we will take this matrix 1 into 9 minus 3 into 7, that means 9 into 21, that will give minus 12. Now we will take this 2 cross 2 matrix to find the element at position A, 2, 3, which is a cofactor matrix of the given matrix A. So 7 into 2 minus 1 into 8, that will give 6. Similarly here 6 into 2 minus 5 into 3 give minus 3. And now here we will take this matrix for finding the value at A, 3, 2 in cofactor matrix. Then 4 into 3 minus 6 into 1, that will give 6. At last we will take this matrix, that means this was our 5. 5 into 1 minus 4 into 2, that will give minus 3. So what is this? This is the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. So we simply know the definition of the adjoint, that transpose of the cofactor matrix gives the adjoint of matrix. So what we take? We will simply take the transpose of this matrix to find the adjoint of the given matrix. So adjoint of A will be minus 3, 6, minus 3, 6, minus 12, 6, minus 3, 6, minus 3. So this is the adjoint of the given matrix A. So this is a short trick for finding the adjoint using in a 3 cross 3 matrix using shortcut tricks. I hope you will understand this concept very well. So if you will practice vigorously on these concepts, so you will become the masters of these concepts. So guys, if you will like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.